Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for quite some time. I am finally settled, mostly settled, into a new craft room, and I wanted to share a project that I worked on while I was kind of in limbo. It's a fairly simple 6x8 mini album. I made it using a Park Lane 24 sheet paper pad from Joann's. So this is the Southern Charm paper pad. I used the majority of the pad, including at the end the cover page. So I'm gonna dive right in. I made a few things actually. So my main item was a 6x8 mini album, and then I also made a 4x4 mini album, and I also made a couple of cards. So this is the 6x8 mini album. So really it measures, so 6.5 by 8.5 by 4, 3.5 ish, give or take. So most of the paper is from the paper pad. Obviously, I used some navy, I think it's Midnight, from Recollections. Then some gold foil and pink glitter and whatnot, but the majority of the paper is from that paper pad. So this was just one of the cut aparts. It just says happiness is homemade. So I cut that out and then used a quarter rounder, popped it up a little bit. These are just some dies that I had in my collection. And then this is a Graphic 45 die. I will try to link to it in the description below. I can't remember the name. Graphic 45 doesn't have that many dies though, so I'll try and link that. This Home Sweet Home stamp is actually from scrapbook.com. And then the back I just kept pretty plain. This is another, I believe it's another Graphic 45 die. It may be from the same die set that this one came from. I can't remember. I'll have to look. So this is another stamp from scrapbook.com, and then these are just some gems from Pink Fresh. So open it up, and again, another stamp from scrapbook.com. This is just a little envelope so you can stick things inside this envelope. So this is from Graphic 45 as well. And then this is just a mat, so you can place a picture on this, and this is a die from Pink Fresh. These, I believe, are die cuts from scrapbook.com, as is this one, I believe. And then this is just another one of the cut aparts. It says my favorite memories, and you can add some notes here. I did leave this open so you can tuck in here. This is magnetized, and then it flips this way. And then this is just a little tuck spot that I have a tag that I created and another cut apart that says you're beautiful. I'm just gonna close that, and because it's magnetized, you don't have to worry about it flipping and flopping all over the place. And then each one of these is a pocket page. So I have these little inserts. So this just says life is sweet. And again, this is a stamp from scrapbook.com. And then this is just a tag that I created using a We Are Memory Keepers punch. And then we just have some inserts in here. So these were a couple of cut aparts from the collection. So love you, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck, and oh hello there. So you can do some journaling or whatever here. And they're open on the back. This one actually opens this way, so you have some additional photo mat space. This is a square one, so pretty basic, and it again opens so that you have some additional space. And then this one is just a matte. And then we have some larger ones here. So we have this one, and then we have this one. So these were all rounded, I guess, or cut with a We Are Memory Keepers crocodile corner punch. And then we have this one as well. So this is just a set of tags that I made, so you can, you know, do some journaling or whatever on them. This opens up and you have this. We have some space for some journaling, and this just says Blessed Life. And then you can mat photos here. And then we have another insert in the pocket. So very basic, but lots of space. This is just a frame, so you can put a photo in here, and then these are magnetized, and then you have tons of space in here. And then this side here is a journaling card, and again, it's magnetized, and tons of space in here. And then again, you have another one of these large photo mats. So this is just a vertical belly band, and then I have some various inserts inside them. And then these, again, these were cut aparts from the collection itself. This just flips up, so very plain, but quite a bit of space, and it is magnetized closed. And then again, another insert. So this is just a basic little kind of flap that also happens to be a pocket, so you can put a photo here, you can do some journaling here. So pretty basic there, but you've got lots of space here as well. This is another little tag pocket, so I created this little tag that can sit inside of it. It is left open, so you can tuck things under there as well. And then this flips up. You have all this space, and you have all of that. So quite a bit of space there. And this pulls out. And then this page is just very basic, but this is kind of a double pocket, a double reversed pocket, I guess. So we have two of the cut aparts here. So this says Grateful, Thankful, Blessed, and this is Follow Your Heart. And these just tuck in here. And then this is kind of a reverse one that gives you some additional space to tuck as well. And then on this page, I just left it open, so you have quite a bit of space there. And then this is just a pocket. It's a little bit more decorative than some, so you have a tuck spot like this and then like this. And then these are just some inserts that I made from some pieces I had left over, and then some more cut apart. So very grateful for, and some journaling space and thinking of you. And then we have another one. And then this opens like this. This is just a very large pocket, and then this is an insert for the pocket. So we just have some chiffon ribbon here. So this opens like this. We have some, and then we have this and this. So you have lots and lots and lots and lots of space. And then this is just a waterfall feature, and it is the same as what I have been making. I really, really like this style. So there we have that. So that is the large album. And And then we have this cute little kind of mini album. So this one is very small. This one measures, it's 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and the spine is 1 3/4. So this was just one of the cut aparts from the collection. I cut it down to a square and just popped it up on some chipboard. This was actually a little leftover piece from when I die cut this. And then I left the back plain. And then I used some of my chiffon ribbon to create a tie for it. So all of the elements in here are the same. All of the page designs were the same. So we have a pocket on the left here, and then we just have some various tags and inserts. These were cut aparts that I cut down a little bit. This just flips open, so you have that space. And then this was actually from the cover sheet that I cut down from the paper pad because I was running out. This just opens like this, and on this side we have this part that flips out, so lots of space there, and then we just have some more inserts here. So we just have some various tags and a cut apart. And again, another one of these. This flips open. So this one, we have both sides just flip open, so you have lots more space there. And then we have another insert. This one, again, from the cover page. So here we have 2 pockets. So I just have a couple of the cut aparts from the collection that I cut down and inserted. And again, another one. This was actually from the collection. It wasn't from the cover. And then this opens up, and we have some more various inserts. So we have some little tags that I thought I could use for journaling, my favorite memories, and thinking of you. And again, from the cover. We have some more tags here in a larger pocket, a deeper pocket, I guess. So we have all of these. And this flips open. And another flip. So lots and lots of space with this kind of style. And one last bit of insert. So a journaling card, happiness is homemade, and we have some tags. So there we have that. Now within the collection, there was also a couple of cut aparts that were thank yous. So I just created some basic thank you cards from the cut apart. So this is one, says thank you, and I just raised it a little bit and kind of did that, and I have it on the Midnight Navy cardstock. So I put a white piece on the inside so you could write your handwritten notes. And then this one is on white cardstock, and I used I believe it's a We Are Memory Keepers embossing folder to create this detail around here, and then I just raised it again. So they're the same cut apart, just changed a little bit. So there you have it. So it was really the only project I managed to work on while I was kind of in transition. I do have a craft haul that I will be filming soon, because I had some things that were either on, pre-order, or that I ordered as they came out while I was kind of in transition. So I just kind of stacked everything together, and that will be quite a large one that I will release soon as well. So stay tuned for that. And as always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.